Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to find out the Windows startup duration or shutdown duration of your PC. So hit the start button and search for Event Viewer. Okay, now go to Application and Service Logs. Then go to Microsoft. And then go to Windows and scroll down till you find the diagnostics-performance. Okay, diagnostics-performance, and open the operational. On the right screen you need to scroll to right side. You can see the event IDs here. You need to find 100 and 200. So 100 is for boot up time and 200 is for shutdown time. So in 100 you can see the boot duration in milliseconds, and in 200 you can see the shutdown duration in milliseconds. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.